Snacky Sunday! Hello, my fellow snacky Sundayers. I have a nice little assortment of goodies in front of us today that we are going to use to make our treat. Zero baking, not a lot of work, super easy ingredients. I'm so excited. Let's get started. So, we have chickpeas, peanut butter, salt, honey, vanilla, and you are supposed to use chocolate chips, but I mean, these are s'mores chocolate chips. I had to choose them because I love everything that has to do with s'mores. So we're going to take all that delicious stuff and we're going to make edible cookie dough, s'mores flavor. It is packed protein, a lot better for you, and it's delicious. I've had it many a time. Let's get started. Before you dump out the chickpeas, you're going to want to put some of the stuff, like the juice that's on top, aside because you're going to need to use that later. The fun part. Chickpeas are coated in a shell that look like this. This is a very fast project. It's really easy to do. The boring part is you have to shell all of the chickpeas before you put them in the blender. Let's get to it. It helps if they're dry, so putting them on a paper towel and kind of rubbing them off makes all the difference. Way fun, right? Do it with all them. And let's get back together. Okay. Our chickpeas are all peeled and ready to go into the blender. So now comes the fun part. Into the blender, you will add 1 can of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of the chickpea juice, which takes place of the eggs. 1 cup plus a little extra of the chocolate chips / marshmallows / graham crackers because I'm making s'mores. Lid that puppy up and start to blend. Don't forget to taste to make sure you did an excellent job. It's delicious. I like to take spoonfuls of it and put it in ice cream or just eat as a snack or spread it on crackers. There you have it. It's good on rice cakes. It's also good with ice cream, whipped cream, and caramel sauce. Welcome to my kitchen. Another thing I like to do is melt down white chocolate pellets. Take scoops of the cookie dough, coat them up, pop them back in the fridge, and then you can eat them at your will like little tiny truffles. Delicious. Okay, so I gave you some good ideas. Pancakes. Eat it with a spoon. Eat it on graham crackers. Eat it with ice cream. It's delicious, I promise. But thanks for sticking around for this extended Snacky Sunday. Hopefully we'll see you next time.